Okay, I had my 15 minutes, I guess. So what started out as me doing my hair for the evening turned into a total learning session of me teaching our daughter how to put the rollers in her own hair. Okay, so stay tuned because this is a full video, uncut, of the whole process. And here we go. Okay, so yeah, one, two, three, lock the end of the hair and wrap it around the roller. Wrap, roll, roll, and lock it in place. So yeah, this was our first ever roller. So I did end up making sure it was actually locked in place. Okay, so fast forward, here's the finished look. Here, take a peek. At this point, like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you can see all of our new videos upload. Okay, at this point, cut the video because this is what I have to go through every time I fix her hair. Listen. Oh my gosh. Remember what I was telling you about the ends of the hair?
Yeah.
Yeah, you always gotta make sure the ends are in. So the ends
I didn't want it that curly though.
What do you thought it was gonna be? I told you it was gonna be curly.
I didn't want it that curly. Like you can't see the straight hair.
Well, what are you gonna put rollers in it for if you didn't want it curly? I told you it was gonna be curly. You wanted to copy me.
Stop.
You wanted to copy me and have your hair curly. So I told you it was gonna be curly.
Hold on, let me get
You already had it straight.
Cause it been straight.
Yeah, it was already straight.
Stop it.
I'm pulling it out some. So you like the curl?
I call you and I do it, 'cause you do that.
And a little replay of the first curl. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I like that part already. I like that part already. Yeah, okay. All right, I kind of want the curls to drop down a little bit though. So, okay. This hair. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna curl one so I can literally see how it's gonna turn. How I'm gonna be able to create the look that I want. I'm excited. This is not really the right curlers that I want. Like, it's not the right bumpers that I really want to use, but I am going to follow up with these right here so I can be able to have more volume. Yeah. Did it go off or something? Yeah, so look at that. So this is only still putting a curl at the bottom. It's only still putting a curl at the bottom. Let's see. Let's see if I curl it up from the top a little bit. Will that make a difference? Okay. Because that one, the last one, I started from the bottom. So let's see if this makes a difference. Curling it up from the top. This is a lot of work. Gosh. Okay. 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 Dang, if I do it like that, that's gonna be a lot of rollers, ain't it? Alright, so let's see if I can make this one tighter too. Let's see. I just need my little Marcel irons for this. If you guys been following my page, I'm actually a stylist. I've been a stylist for quite some time now. Over 15 years. Been styling, profiling everybody, like everybody, for over a period of time now. So, I still like use my Marcel irons. I love my Marcel irons. I can't like go lightly on saying that. Like I absolutely love my Marcel irons. I love my Marcel irons more so also because it gets short hair, like have all of the different lengths, all of the different sizes. This curl is so pretty. We have all of the different sizes in the Marcel irons. Oh, that one's out. So I love my Marcel. And I do quite a bit of short hairstyles as well, like pixie cuts and stuff like that. So I get to get like the really, really short parts with the Marcels. I don't even know if they make curling irons like really small like that. But the Marcels, yes, honey, yes. I want my hair to be curled so pretty. I want my hair to be curled, like, I want my hair to be curly, like curly. I don't feel like literally, I really don't feel like sitting here and curling it, like all of it. But what you put in is what you're gonna get out, right? Whatever you put in is what you're gonna get out. So however I curl my hair and whatever I do to it is exactly what I'm gonna get out. So I better sit here and put some curls in and curl these things right. But I wish I did have that Marcel iron. Okay. Ooh. I like it. I like literally want some more color in my hair. A little lighter. I normally wear it a little lighter. I normally have it a little lighter than what I have now, but I was kind of in a rush. I was traveling and I was kind of in a rush, so I just went with the darker color because it would have taken longer to do the lighter color. So that's how I end up with a little bit of darker tresses here. baby. That boom, 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 my baby. I might be singing that wrong. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. All right. So 4 curls. 25 more to go. 50 more to go.
Really?
I don't know how many more gotta go. Ooh, that curl is pretty. That one's pretty.
Can you spit in my
Be
hair?
careful now.
You heard that?
Mm-hmm. Motorcycle.
Yeah, maybe.
Watch out, man.
Do that. Are you serious? Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, ding, ding. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. Ding, ding.
Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. This piece was too big, so I like literally had to drop the piece. Okay, so I gotta make sure the end of the curl is in there. Okay, let's see. Okay, there it go. There it go. Okay.